Hello friends, this is Lindsay for So Fontsy. Welcome back to another video tutorial. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how you can create your own wood round front door sign. So we'll walk you through the steps on how you can create this really beautiful project to spruce up your front porch. So let's get started. So first, of course, you will need a wood round, and now they are quite commonly found in both hardware stores and craft stores. Then you'll want to sand the wood, and here's a little tip for you if you like to use sanding blocks. So after the sanding blocks have been well used and maybe they're a little dull, don't throw them away. You can still use them. Just wrap a sanding sheet, those sheets designed for the handheld sanders, around the sanding block. And then just sand like normal in the direction of the wood grain. And then just wipe away any of the wood dust. I sometimes will even take a little small handheld vacuum to make sure that I've got all of the wood dust removed. And then you're going to paint or stain the wood round, and if you want to paint different sections, different colors, then take a straight edge and a pencil to mark off the sections. And then you'll use blue painter's tape to mask off the sections. And then here's a super easy tip for staining. Use a water-based stain because they're so easy to clean up. You can just clean them up with water, and really easy to apply with a foam brush. And so then you'll let that dry, either air dry or even with a heat tool. And if you've got other sections to paint, then you would mask off the other sections and paint that. We're just using some white acrylic paint for this middle section. And remember, you do want to paint in the direction of the wood grain. And then you'll want to go ahead and seal the sign. So this is going to be a front door wood round, so it's going to be exposed to the elements, and so you'll want to make sure that the wood is sealed. And a really quick way to do that is to use a clear spray sealer. Then you'll want to cut a wood round sign design into some permanent adhesive vinyl. And you can put pretty much any design you like onto these wood rounds, but I like the designs that are already designed for a wood round, so they already have a curve to them. And so this Welcome to Our Haunted House design is one that you can grab from the October 2022 SVG and font bundle at So Fontsy. So I threw a link in the video description if you want to check that out. So then just go ahead and cut the design in the permanent adhesive vinyl. This is Oracal 651. And you'll use transfer tape to transfer the vinyl onto the now sealed and completely dry sign. And the hinge method is one of the best ways to apply your vinyl on straight. So just trim around the vinyl design and then put a piece of blue painter's tape right down the center of it, and you can use that piece of tape as a hinge to apply one side of the design, and then once that's stuck down, you can apply the other side. And just be sure to burnish it down really well. And then when you remove the transfer tape, you'll want to remove the transfer tape in the opposite direction of the wood grain. And then all that's left is to add some hangers to hang up your sign, and you can finish this off with some floral or greenery and a bow, and it is ready to adorn your front door. So those are the steps to creating your own wood round front door sign. I think it'd be really cute to hang a wreath on your front door and then put the wood round in the center of the wreath. But any way you hang the sign, it's going to look fabulous. So we hope that you give this project a try. If you want to use the same design that we did for this wood round sign, then you'll find a link for it in the video description. It's found in the October 2022 SVG and font bundle at So Fontsy. So go ahead and check it out, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time, friends. Bye!